The second of our Naylor updates is about the Wombwell site, which we acquired in 2015. We've been doing a lot of refurbishment work here, which has now reached a conclusion, and we've moved on to this site the head office function, the former Amco Plastics business, which was up the road at Wath, and also our injection moulding facility, which was over at Cawthorne. Now, to talk about this is Andy Manning, who has been involved in much of the planning work that's been taking place.
The acquisition of the Wombwell site was born out of the potential we could see. What we needed to release this potential though was two key elements to the planning permission. One was manufacturing use, the second one being the allowance for 24/7 working. What we had to do for the 24/7 working was install a sound mitigation measure which resulted in an acoustic bund being built. We got this through the planning permission and it now gives us the site that we have today.
Now, Wombwell, before we bought it, was a distribution warehouse for Maplin, the electrical firm, and we've had to do a whole load of work to turn this both into a manufacturing operation as well as give us a sensible head office facility. Paul Heppels is the guy who's overseen most of the work that we've done here, and here's Paul to talk about it.
The main problem with the Wombwell site was it was a total strip out of the office building and the 4,000 square metres of factory floor, which had 3,600 square metres of mezzanine floor covering it. We did recycle this by selling it on to other manufacturing units who were refurbing their buildings. We had several main contractors working for us on this project. We had XE Mechanical Electrical, Impact Flooring and Building, Sims Pneumatics and ICS cooling systems. They have been crucial into getting the factory up and running and the state that it is in today. Along with having to bring in new gas supplies, water supplies and electrical supplies to upgrade all the services coming into the building. As part of the improvements to the site here, we put a complete resin flooring throughout the 4,000 square metres with demarcation for walkways and forklift trucks, along with upgraded power outlets for all machinery that we brought from other sites, and also new compressed air system that can be tapped into at any point at any time. The project is taken from August 2015 to June 2016. At the main point of the project, or the heavy part, we had up to 72 personnel or contractors working on site, including ground workers, electricians, plumbers, joiners and builders. I'm certainly happy with what they've turned out, and I think everybody in our organisation is pleased with the outcome as well.
The Amco Wath team took quite a long period of time to move. The first group to move were the ventilation duct team, and they were followed some weeks later by the extrusion team, who had quite a lot more infrastructure to put in prior to the move. In addition to the Amco Wath team, one of the groups moving is the injection moulding and fabrications team from Cawthorne, and Mark Grimes can give us a bit of an update as to how that move has gone.
Move from Cawthorne went really well to Wombwell. We moved on a Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So all machines were in place, Monday morning ready to go. Unfortunately we had a few hiccups with chilled water, but other than that it's gone pretty well. I'm being really pleased with it actually.
Stay tuned for more updates from Naylor.